Hello, welcome to RevoTime tutorial. We're about to start how to export employees' daily attendance record. It's pretty easy, so we can directly start from the dashboard. You just have to click on the report menu, then click export. And the daily attendance record will be downloaded automatically. As you can see, in this report, there is information about employees' take-in time, take-out time, and duration of work per day. So, you can monitor employees' daily work from this report, and it will appear from the most recent day.